Welcome or welcome back to this channel where there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament, 5 a.m. Jamaica time. If you have not yet done so, subscribe, or if you have already subscribed, watch the videos, like them, comment on them, and share them. Today we'll be looking at Matthew chapter 5 verses 33 to 37. My name is Walter Williams. If you want to learn more about me, check the description box below.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
The good news about Jesus, according to Matthew chapter 5, verse 33 to 37. Una know say them they tell una father this too. When una get una word and swear say una are going to do something, una fi break una promise, but go do this sitting them where una tell the Lord say una go do. But at this me I tell una say, una fi swear at all. Nobody swear and call upon heaven for sure say what una I say are true. Cause at heaven God stand and rule from. And nobody swear and call upon earth neither. Cause earth are like one stool where God put up him foot upon. Now call upon Jerusalem too. Cause that of a God city and him are the biggest king. Nobody swear and call upon yourself. Cause none of you can make not even one strand of hair black or white. If a yes una say yes and done. If a no, then say no and done. If una put nothing more upon that, a sake of the wicked one. God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.